Any bad, omunye complete outsiders, sir.
But of course, Manchester United are starting.
Manchester United their favorite.
Yeah.
But why Manchester United now against Villarreal? Put some respect to Villarreal's name. Chairman, your two managers are into this game or more contrasting air record. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer playing the first title since Wazumi as a manager for Manchester United. In fact, we in the second final I won the first final. Oh no way. I think in 2013 for FC Modi. The Norwegian Cup. Since then, onye cup will be a ende cup final. Oba Manchester United the first time one obo a cup final. Also preso betimi agi a cup for Manchester United. But only manager, only nebono, manager. See I can the Europa League chairman. I think say why the standard I would measure any manager in the Europa League. And now I can say since na United a coachy Sevilla. He is the only manager or the Europa Cup and Europa League to assume prensa 3 consecutive times. I remember very well. Said 2013-2014 and oji the first Europa League final oji trophy Erima Sevilla. Oji sa 2013-2014 the following year 2014-2015 osabeji and 2015-2016 osaji. So the only manager in Europa League history oji atoaso miensa. Eti camp manager on Europa League na why perennial winner it must be Unai Emery. Na my critical can say Ole Gunnar Solskjaer there why manager onye trophy bia or Chelsea any first trophy. Chairman Adebako asa ban to this game they say Unai Emery on the record to protect. And only and so be fighting for the first major trophy. It will be something to fight for coming into this game. Villarreal for second motivation. Chairman, only say weekend we are. Last game, Madrid won by 2-1. Amunusu sa game no. We share the Spanish league table. Villarreal etoso enso, which means say Villarreal enti me and the Europa League na they will not play Champions League come next season. So the only realistic way I bet me Villarreal eti about Champions League come next year. Ni say obeti me just Europa League no timi akobo Champions League next year. Adebako say Emma Villarreal for urban to this game. We are Manchester United. We are favorite there. Truth be told, Manchester a favorite coming to this game. But Villarreal are unbeaten Europa League this year. This year Europa League Villarreal about 14 matches. Those 14 matches now Villarreal bono. Oma winning 12. Adro me won't lose a game in those 14 matches. So they have a manager why a perennial winner. Waji atosu miensa. In fact, waji atosu miensa kurano. Wasaibo final for Arsenal. I want Timiani. And wasaibo against a team this year the Europa League na yebono. 14 matches, they've not lost a game, drawn 12 of them. Amo we need 12. Adrom yinu. A team we cannot underrate them that much. Say, Obetimiaka say, oh, Manchester ni Villarreal body. Manchester such overwhelming favorite. Budget trophy every Villarreal sem. See yeba Europa League na. Adebako amenu say so pe manager okwa the secret ultimately the Europa League na it must always be a Papa Efeno Unai Emery. So Manchester United comes into this game one. Next one a lot of research about Villarreal. Any manager now no man the rate Villarreal chairman Yeso say they can laugh at the wrong side of their mouth. History ends in favor Manchester United. In fact, the last 9 times Spanish teams, any English teams Asia finals of a major European competition biano Spanish teams they winning. Chairman check. Say about other Champions League and a Europa Cup. Not Spanish team, any English team Asia finals the last times 9 times now. The winner goes to the Spanish teams. Another Spanish team, any English team, and about the Europa League final. History in favor the English teams when it comes to finals in major European club competition. It's Manchester United coming to this game one. They must consider that. Another strength of Villarreal Ediban to this game, chairman. 14 games no mabono. 1 game per Manchego. That is the second leg of Arsenal ebo 0-0. Apart from 0-0 Arsenal boy in the second leg of the semi-finals, every other game Villarreal bobiano at least they score a goal. So when you are playing against such a team 13 matches they score a goal. 14 matches, 1 game per month. Chairman, chairman no very careful enei abrante friend Gerard Moreno sa goals na Villarreal sheni nyina no Gerard Moreno and only the attack no Edema Villarreal in the Europa League come so far Europa League season we no was 6 goals I provided 4 assists but the bottom line is that a team one they score goals in almost every game bi omabo this year's Europa League na almost ebonum now yeba Manchester United chairman adeba ko say Manchester United so a bit of a history Medikaka say United Emery agi Europa League na to aso mako miensa but check out team by the breaking say United Emery say winning streak no waje to aso miensa from 2013-14 to 2016 no and Manchester and the break is a winning streak no abra Jose Mourinho Eddie Manchester beji the Europa League in 2017 so Manchester need the only team one say United Emery SB ni beba sorry ya na oji Europa Cup no to aso kosa no team one a break is a winning streak no Manchester omo de team ehye Ajax in that year final na omo team the Europa Cup no chairman I think Manchester United season no se beti describe no say a huge successor they must win the Europa League. Medikaka since Alex Ferguson every Manchester United no Manchester United finished within the top 4 of the Premier League back to back. So Manchester finished top 4 Premier League. Your boss season anyway. That's a Manchester finishing the top 4. The following season no man finish outside the top 4. So for the first time since Ferguson every Manchester United no or team finish within the top 4 for 2 consecutive times. That's a major achievement. But so team describe season is a successful party, then they have to win the Europa League. Me as supporters no and so anybody me aje home. United a favorite. Chairman, okay, the last time an English team dropping from Champions League by Europa League by 2013 Chelsea. Sa year no na Chelsea ebo Champions League and not dropping for Champions League by Europa League or by no by Since then, I have never seen an English team a Champions League. What dropping from Champions League about Europa babeji. So Manchester second motivation is that Amoji Europa League America so season success no. They have to become the second English team or Champions League or dropping by Europa League on babeji since Chelsea and in 2013. So there's another motivation for Manchester United on into this game. Your bad knockout stages now. Medical can say Villarreal 14 matches they've not lost a game. By Manchester United in the last 7 games on board or knockout stages, Manchester winning 5. Until say Roma show in the second leg. In fact, second leg, Manchester United qualify we. And until say Manchester United loses to Roma in the second leg, now Manchester United winning 5 of the 7 games are near or knockout stage. We have Manchester United and so recording the Champions and the Europa League now. Chairman, quite impressive. When you look at say Manchester United up to this stage, now say on their way almost a Real Sociedad, almost a AC Milan, Granada on their way to the final. Manchester United road to the final, so I quite impressive. Now the bottom line is say English teams, any Spanish team, Asia or major European can final. Yana English teams no ain't team succeed. But chairman had this year in the Europa League Manchester United Asia Spanish teams ni na show was a Real Sociedad. Was a Granada in the quarterfinals, which means say Peter Antino say English team beat the Spanish team. Manchester United are training this year on their road to the final because already was a Spanish teams Granada and Real Sociedad as no drew a final. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer chairman me sure say the way you know the America can say Manchester United so much improvement under Ole, but still or I'm for doubting. So bet me cast am for an annual to dia.
Trophy.
This oje trophy. So any trophy no matter the level of improvement bia na mafo cast say be onya hwe. Manchester A team they are known for winning trophies. Menka the last time United a major trophy. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer manager onye a trophy since oba Manchester United. So the doubt that na omunyini ni nyina no. So bet me come not too many dia they have to win the trophy. But the biggest score is he is coming up against a manager or a perennial winner of this very competition now. Almost eba bebono. And then the big question for United Emery is Chukwueze that Nigeria international no. Me sure say among for councillor or that's when Timi Asia kan and from Villarreal. So Timi Asia kan chairman a very big miss for Villarreal say on their road to the final one of the biggest player Osia kan de Villarreal Chukwueze na all the goals no more and they that say no Timi Asia kan and the kaka say abrante feno Geronimo Eru le betima da goal post Adama Villarreal mekai no nya quite impressive against Arsenal the two less nyano no nya impressive. So I was thinking say senka abrante no ebetima tranchen e ma Sergio Asenjo abeda goal post ma enkanya bad there but the man that Edika decided say on better goal post ma chairman let's give them say wetin that goal post Adama Villarreal. The biggest question for Unai Emery Carlos Bacca any Paco Alcácer one the old soon some my partner Gerard Moreno there or am top striker already so far in the Europa League no top striker what say 6 goals ama 4 assists 20 years here or yet in lineup na player or yet first betima body di no Gerard Moreno but one the partner no Paco Alcácer why did travel from Barcelona to Borussia Dortmund to Villarreal or experience and a Carlos Bacca also in the Europa League season from the bench be oba chairman now quite influential. So sad decision now betime choose between Carlos Bacca and Abrante Feno Paco Alcácer obe partner Gerard Moreno no chairman me sure say manager no Sam Dalima be he has to settle omoni as na ebo no onum say na Sam na Etienne Capoue suspended into Francis Cochrane the boy in midfield one Dani Parajo and a boss double base no Edema Villarreal but them me sure say Abrante Feno Etienne Capoue available eti no Francis Cochrane back bench ama Etienne Capoue abeka Abrante a ye fen Dani Parajo ho mfimfin a chama sa place ni mienu mfimfin na se Gerard Moreno any Paco Alcácer na se Carlos Bacca eda nimu na I've heard it Manchester United favorite there but sa form any sa place quality crowd Villarreal no Manchester cannot underrate Villarreal at any day say on betimi right home of that easily. The biggest question for Manchester United is chairman Harry Maguire Mobia one in the place of him. Now me expect say Bianca Eric Berry also no say e pram kwa dia senka Victor Lindelof ebo na say Victor Eric Berry partner na kaje basa because Harry Maguire are the best central defender the best center back for Manchester United this season. So in a big game final na say ono epra no Timobia I was expecting senka Brantia your friend Eric Berry babeka Victor Lindelof no komotimi abo edema Manchester United back one but so ontimi amo na say Rebecca is ontimi amo dia chairman a big miss. No Harry Maguire no Eric Berry in central defense. I'm looking at player obe partner Victor Lindelof watch one man say Gerard Moreno no mumba na say Manchester and United the man very careful chairman me sure say they only a favorite there.
One favorite.
Manchester is favorite
to win.
But
what will be your prediction?
Double chance Manchester United.
Double chance Manchester United.
Yeah, once a game and they draw about 30 minutes for extra time. They basically Manchester United should win this cup. They have to win this cup.
Well, and Pulis Lounge was your boy in never home. Now, it's ever said in Shana Queno and young baby, young man, no means. The chance drive, no drive time best at no means. Na omabuma antibonu nsiana na say ye crossover Pulis Lounge hona no ne ahedwumadi na se ho ye ne ye chita for ne tiefo ma beta e chinyina no ne omo adijuma no enso honom. Okay, wa unya Asante Virginia. Yes. Asante ne my girls too and on birthday.
Oh yeah. Omo entafo ana
omo entafo na Asante na so book calculation. So book calculation on the wife because o check here o check o date here then say we 9 months chira
yeah
the wife birthday. Wow. Yeah, I've said the wife birthday no vend go
yeah
how much is fine ba no they be so it just say na wishing the two girls no Ize and Kami Asante what up with how do the to say Asante okay enya secretary Ize and Kami Asante and then birthday Ize 6 and Kami 3 years mama pa Asante say wish him happy birthday and so mano okay so and any and also say neba even no Jefta Cheba for any he's 21 years today. Wow, 21 years. So we should the banner so happy birthday 21 any we see macho and yasin good talk. Okay, and then pele birthday couple cheers.
Yes.
Couple cheers.
Fernando Santos.
Yes. Couple cheers. Opele. Yeah, I produce Opele. Say all Germany, Upele, happy birthday to you.
Asante Virginia. Also watching now. Only was it Villarreal be winning because Unai Emery be the determining factor.
Yeah, Unai a big.
Obi have game anymore.
Well, chairman, on the lighter note, I no pay na yetie for ni bibisa me say na ba say na Villarreal na BRL. It say Spain for no Vini B into BRL. Bobo no.
Vino can be on.
Vino can be into BRL. Sa Bobo ya omo Valencia krom ho. Omo nshada men bebre into omo the Mahiras river nsuoki to bi o ha e wo kronim na ba ni say no munya edin yellow submarine na ba ni say na eku a no mo share white later on that this is just by the by and sunny rag game ni mo around 1967-68 season ho no chairman na omo division 3 omo press omo be division 3 nim and na omo supporters bia na omo gina omo de bia omo di omachi until that time na Beatles the Beatles penny for omo tie show no
the Beatles
no more nyum bia friend yellow submarine my sound no ha chairman oh yes the Beatles
okay
it's nyum we na supporters no omo tie omo di omo if I say their name at the call Champions League final Ghetto Blasters EB and now omudisi or mutie nyum no nti ho na nickname ne bae me pese etie nyum ne kakra na obia hu baby a yellow submarine
well you tie but tie live on Facebook na say be a sound no I call for no what here because of maybe a copyright sensible.
Bebrena friend Obi tries no pure sports now him say bag can see who nsem dia 95.7 and Obi ATA Joada ekopem memeneda nondu ekopem dumienu awo kan see who nsem amonone ani fie yes sanso de wadwenkyere eso ewuram pure sports de eyekrojin efibia ey authentic the facts are first on our network intikan ho na emfa pure sports Femi Kwabena free or being Bebrena friend Obi tries no pure sports now him say bag can see who nsem dia 95.7 and Obi ATA Joada ekopem memeneda nondu ekopem
Spanish kasa anymore yellow no ye Amarillo into Amarillo SL BRL is yellow and a dino subeka o in can no share white jersey na 1947 and our president no white na kano na nsu team no so no Osman ba so onko shop no onko to white jerseys ni bimra akola ne ko ya white jerseys na sa aka yellow nko na akola ne sisa yellow ni nyina ba ye and I'm so say akola ndi yellow na ba and so ye befa enti eno na de yellow submarine no eba ya Beatles enyom no any jerseys a short here in 1947 and no more enya sa yellow jersey no for the Red Devils any of course Red Devils na United for Sudan Sir Matt Bosley ono so no na rugby team bi ben Old Trafford in Patem ho and almost no na French journalist bi aba in Centroni bi of Free France in 1934 and also say rugby team no also nickname or dem Ladia Blue Rouge that is the Red Devil into Red Devils no sad nickname no and also ne cra Belgium for nti o call Belgium almost the Red Devils of Belgium and I say Matt Bosley or TD now Red Devils see there and my main fan Manchester United boboko yi eno na ono so e de mo and na your the yellow submarines epubia ni Villarreal omo mpota omo 50,000 inti look the point and say Villarreal boboko no say no mo lose final na problem bia ni ho omo no 50,000 nipa 50,000 e wo kromo omo no omo target ni some better Premier League the La Liga nim omo ka La Liga nim na omo ka omo qualify for Europe na omo nya nkwala bi omo yi omo free omo academy nim into omo akola bi Pino the share against Madrid no omo ne Madrid share the share first go Yeremi Pino or your academy player Paul Torres academy player omo defender bi na on ebebo 3 Padeza ono so eso academy player into omo no omo nya academy players no omo ba no omo ni J. Into final be say there. In shut down how bebre. But for Manchester United, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer can't be. Or see the goal is the journey. What is the goal and what is the journey? Journey say Man United they need that one say the bit on say Rome or Champions League winti or more corner more winning trophies no. Now Ole Gunnar Solskjaer according to Ole Gunnar Solskjaer or share nyoma into head on bedroom pempenswa e was say or more edru. Now match we no medical ana yadika kasa yes Unai Emery and I am nipa ba ko a obejira mama viral bobo ko no but Manchester United bobo ko no so no nipa ba ko obejira mama Abrante friend no Bruno Fernandes. But let's place on record. This is a final into no Man United and BRL or Mesham impren 9 so some impren 9 no games na end 0-0. 4 times in the history of BRL and Manchester United. A 0-0 from 2005 till date. 4 times. Nina is 0-0. Old Trafford, Ceramica, Unimsa BRL and VRL Hono, Jomo Yanisa, Omo ceramics. Acquire Stoke City, Chrono, Omo tiles, any ceramics, no Yanti. It's almost stadium, I'm friend the ceramic stadium because Uko Spain, Abebia, Ubenya ceramic tiles, Papa Nehunyo Mano, BRL Bobo Conti, Omono. Ambitions no shut down soon bebre but record so chess or Man United chia a very very tough game. The entire Bruno Fernandes a key to say encounter when he said oh yeah the sort of difference of Van Dijk Diabre United Ruben Diaz at Diabre Manchester City now I know Chelsea Brandt we no or no so pointy the reason why Obit say Paul Pogba Obit say Rashford Obit say Cavani Obit say Mason Greenwood Obit say which other player Fred munyina no de enti omomo de mo no so ani se omanya opanyin bia no omanya brantie bia Ole Gunnar Solskjaer ka chen say you are the leader without the captain's band name o nanso o na o ye panyin a uda team na no enti enya won said this season wa share 28 goals in all competition 17 assists and wa create 107 scoring opportunities enti sa akonya bi beba say Man United be winning game we ya ne dodo na gina brantie e friend no Bruno Fernandes and I just hope say obenya very very good game I was how growing Man United starting 11 they are quite predictable David De Gea na beda Aaron Wan-Bissaka Jayanhwe 11 no Sanya Esiaba one bisa unfortunately Harry Maguire and now when to me training mukoye you know I was some call ground so yeah Dunk Stadium
no so clutches ana
omayi but one year training people susu sam say anajuno bi akwa no ye ni training but enya dia Brandt na to me ye ni training nti most likely say Mati said to Zembe a player Ole Gunnar Solskjaer ogide won because by Lee no say mistakes no dos do into one hwa na to Zembe and Lindelof nebo no anya Shaw no anya Fred ni Scott McTominay of course Pogba be on the left now Rashford are on the right na no adwen kesia da na pressure da Ole Gunnar Solskjaer no say Edson Cavani started because you say in the last 10 or so games Edson Cavani has shared 9 goals. Men quite kra no okay almost share AS Roma Kensia mo matimu mienu and results and ansemu na ba no utumi say eno kwese Edson Cavani praying the Man United striker ne modimo so ni Rashford form no eco form kakra but no kra on say Abrante friend Cavani no aye of free bench bank because of free bench bar yeah, na goals no endorse chain say was starting games no nti one shot na Rashford a ball on the right Pogba on the left when you Brandt for Mason Greenwood obetumi asem kakra na eno so no Rashford akọ lead attack no na chese changes kakra call so nti Cavani beba mu a na maybe you midfielder ba ko be afrim na chese ono so abeka Rashford ne Brandt no wani mo no ne ahwesa ne eno so ebesi akọ na dia ba ko ahuhia o Manchester United fans obeja tum ne say Man United ankasa no bobokuo no omo ya the second half first half nye inti se game we no first half ekoye 0-0 man how bebre because Man United actually said this season share 48 goals and concede 15 that was second half in the Premier League and share 25 goals and concede 20 in the first half into second half performance no Jeremy Mao graphic be about second half ni send Manchester United for no omutumi picky our second half, so it's evident. So shots no in the first half so far at the end of the season no first half shots Man United about 255 shots, second half about 292 shots, into difference of 65 over shots per 90 minutes. 11.84 for the first half, 15.37 for the second half. Into generally, no Manchester United Bobo Kono second half no omo so eso ni papa ye and Medica Kase Edson Cavani so a player second half and the modernity. Monhwe no say Edson Cavani bebem around the 60th minute thereabout. And one obem make a difference because United for United Bobo Kono omo fit the difference between BRL and Man United, and say BRL for no technically first touch, passing, control, dribbling, technical abilities no omo sanyo man and the chair Liverpool e come here some team back Jurgen Klopp first season as a Liverpool manager Unai Emery at the Sevilla e ko show Spain for no yenim senior omo ball ni sitie ahoden shedan nim bebre into Man United for their ahoden kese pa and e be wuramu a omo ebetumi make the difference into yan senior no so ebetumi akọ now ade baako a Man United supporters so was a mujitum ne say Premier League ni ebo wie no na Man United are conceded 14 goals from set pieces, corner kicks, free kicks, even throw-ins. Krani ade baako ha United pa enti some of the videos say na Man United for defend the corner kick or zonal marking into Behu Pogba, Ubenya Scott McTominay, Ubenya Edson Cavani, Harry Maguire, no my man marking and no one Bissaka and then Lindelof Luke Shaw Man United defending of set pieces no one and a year zonal marking no into Uyetia no wako anim na box na one wako defend it sanity by Pempino teams no Man United. David here and conceded 5 goals from corner kick, and Dean Henderson so I conceded 4 from corner kicks. Kaisa BRL Boboko, Raul Albiol or height pa, almost also Etienne Capoue also height, Pau Torres also height, Abrantia Fano Padreza, also Colabia on the ball left back ahead of Alberto Moreno and Albert Moreno also height. Into Man United defending of set pieces no. For example, in the game against Sheffield, saying that Man United for defending set piece no. Now the hard journey say Man United and we need a first header. And also a hard game. Jeremiah Man United conceded so this against Sheffield. Cross no no na Man United no first ball no na just acquire problem or more end to me and for first ball now Sheffield United for any first goal o check against West Ham United san and also acquire more demono na defending of set pieces no and also for me I was saying Man United so okay this West Ham United or more defending set piece no cross ne buy no na just obia kra ni box na nkasa no obi aniwa and also ana obi enyina po ni mu a ma West Ham United for nya goals. In fact Harry Maguire no ni hono a big problem I'm wondering how Man United bet me fix this on bet me on bet me because here height say consider 14 goals from set pieces in Quadia and was all year now to me make a difference no and Adiaba Kone say Rashford now Mason Greenwood no dia e speed no so no bet me akọ na chese sa no etumi and a game no etumi akonanim na VR also a branch be friend Albert Moreno we about 5 finals in 7 years into our experience but one we na branch friend Pedreza and started Inti and also of course Albiol Gerard Moreno there only Karim Benzema pepe 23 goals or no bet drop it 90 and then most likely so only Paco Alcacer nebebo into no bet drop here but central midfield na Paco Alcacer no I want anymore on so na juma sane besia but saying na openya friend no Unai Emery tabo ne ball from Sevilla nyina sano ye no or goalkeeper ball cup tournaments into benya rule no on the best start and no cre asen no or form on tada La Liga no we no so no watna fiache kakra into but of course it's the final one here bebo no now when ya unfortunately one font or injury into one here Funes Mori and bebo Raul Albiol Pau Torres Padreza so in a 4-2-3-1 Parejo of course those times no one in zones no was Sevilla into Etienne Capoue na ye a brantia ni hu those times are not Sevilla winning on number 10 on your friend no Eva Benega se see and was saying number 10 our friend Gerard Moreno no about Moy Gomez na replace Chekwenze no about brantia friend no Yeremy Pino and now about Manu Tregam that's Treganos or no never before if cause in press conference no on the course our press conference na say it's most likely so no ebe start it. Now what is important is the first goal. VRL for ball no munya first goal a problem aba I was at Man United for any year. Gerard Moreno also no 23 goals this season. How do Man United mark him? Into Nana Fred and Scott McTominay I don't know omo ejuma so omo mark a branch no and VRL no first 30 minutes omo per control. So when you control of the midfielder, na ball no akwa anything kakra. Omuye team omuye counter attacking. Inti how to control central midfield no. And Paul Pogba, Fred, Scott McTominay no. Omu wa ejuma papa, omu ejuma ye. And omuye team so omu use wings no. Inti say Obama so fantastic. Say without with the ball or without the ball. This without the ball. It's more of a 4-4-2. Paco Alcácer, Moreno. Unfortunately, Moy Gomez Bejina in place of Chikwenze. Na Font no so no Mori akobo wing back on number 2 no. Now when you Albert Moreno. Now when you midfield no nti Trigueros or no be room our central midfield so they could create an overload. And until na Paul Pogba wa ejuma ye okoye sa ne life new money dia obema Man United for upgrade because midfield hono Trigueros ebeko in fifth yo I just obe create sa overload no na Gerard Moreno so drop it into our some careful na in Pempi no giant check the next one omu 2 players awanim ho into sa 2 players no mo anim ho no se defenders no enuntina Maguire no magave no o kana o tese Harry Maguire ni available now Yamasho kakra because I'm wondering how Man United will pass the ball from the back. Bonnie Frechiro one all confidence so be pushy ball na ba because Raul Albion no money ball ni ball. Paul Torres no ball ni domina no money ball omo to me pushy e ma midfielders no so call manim and na Gerard Moreno no ni atumi ball no nti nyame anim no kura ni Harry Maguire absence ne pa de Ebeha Manchester United papa ye but Man United monsan ade bi ye apart from free kicks ne corner kicks no BRL for no edru throwing na say to ball na in fact player back Albert Moreno or say omo boabo omo no Unai Emery a chire mu a chire Edinson Cavani ne ma wonya Paul Pogba ne ma wonya wa chire mu nti the psychological the be prepared throwings be hu nti I was say Man United say BRL for nya thrower me pamochao mamu fe ni agro Bruno Fernandes so na be 10 no sa 10 ho no BRL for no ya de so mu squeeze nti midfield no be ba na chikakra na defenders na close nti just Bruno Fernandes content no dictate place or dictate play because ogina mfimfini ho dia enya dia Parejo ni Etienne Capoue no be man kwan of course defenders ni Paul Torres ni Raul Albion no be man kwan so they minimize the spaces or the lines omo close into nya kwan who say Bruno Fernandes no no ball no bon ansa na ball be ba ne ho no aso game no ho daye esa player na olidi obi abe 2 or 3 seconds into ball ne buy on the oye but when man the kwine man nyina ball ne so enche that is the only challenger one Shana Man United face but ukwa bakwasemu a na who say 4 times no ni 0-0 ma bona e be say game no tough no crack Man United hot favorite Unai Emery now cracker ono ankasa jitum so me underdogs but Unai Emery button in fact the year again club no and their club crowd feed that ni rebe feed that because or trying to tactics papa but Arsenal no shut down for Paris Saint-Germain so shut down for but BRL Boboko no first day or call dress will catch him said then I mean yamamo and a place they say when your friend Unai Emery Cup Europa League your friend Unai Emery Cup it's fire caught me and koje and I'm ranting say and I catch him say okay on so bet me I the obey but this almost so year jumaden in pempen so we duru no e che say ejumade no and an ejumade odi wo Europa League no e so ani papa ye 0-0 de bedding say 0-0 be ba match we mo e bedding
abas go bebem
go de bebem Ebebem 0-0 4 times there. Minya sure say be sense biom. Minya sure say be sense biom. No cranny say Man United beje. But Man United edge no ombebre with especially without Openya your friend without Openya your friend Harry Maguire. I hope say Edson Cavani. I see a goal. Me who Edson Cavani go be around the 72nd minute mu hoko baby no because obe free bench number no obe sisa game ni mu na Bruno Fernandes yi nkonya bi maybe penalty bi no we hope no abashe maminya no Man United 2 BRL 0.
Well, okay, Sana Perry, special assistant to CEO of ABN. Perry say, Obi, God bless you. On Manchester, no. I said, the German son to come from. Until you say, God bless you for your kind words. Heaven knows kind words. Okay. If we say, I heard all the 2 European trophies are going to the city of Manchester. Sani Ebi Muhono. If we just say, only 1 trophy is going to Manchester. Enti nimi no choose one. Enti you ever said yeah, and also Ebesiako. All right, send them the Gakan and Europa League final tea. I say I mean a greater part of the show now dedicated Eddie Ama and no. Okay. Coach Ignatius say a VRL win. Coach Ignatius so t-shirt VRL. Okay. Now can French be an
French.
Okay, say.
French there La Dia Blue Rouge.
Okay.
Red Devils. La Dia Blue Rouge.
I say Les Deb Rouge.
Oh, David.
Les Deb Rouge. Aha, no, yeah, Red Devils in French. To us, in French, in a
Blue Rouge.
French, in your West, in the cold.
Oh, so French needs to catch him say, La Dia Blue Rouge. The Red Devils. Yes.
French in a guy.
Le Dia Blue Rouge. Yes. Le Dia DIA. Now le Bruges na association. Le Bruges.
Le De Bruges. Okay. I say Red Devils. First they can. Okay, team about Diabo no Diab. Also can Diab. Devil, yes. Okay, it's the answer. So, but Kakrabi, if you so Kakrabi, Rebels Chelsea Ghana Premier League, no. Honorable Mustafa Yusuf in a conversation. I can say, would you say VAR ne Ghana and Kabebwa as of the officiating problems are. Yen be brainy referees, but bonus any money in a medical VAR and yet you tweaking the Kakra because VAR have a consider rather more problems for yen. Because when you guys are Munkwama and what they be a catcher and say, Wabra here at this stadium where you will be. That will also cause a problem. And yes, I know Europe, but I'm talking about system said Yanum be a tier massive fan. And until that make cancer. Coach Abukari Damba or say Kotoko game omane Ediana Bebono. Still, as I'm going to go handless no, I'm rested Abaloro, Julius Branton Wabre, Oma Felix, and Koso end up pulling.
Goalkeepers now they are all very, very capable goalkeepers. In the goalkeeping department, But let us look at the situation. Situation and circumstances determine goalkeeper what's the issue. Eban is saying drop Abalora, not because it's a bad goalkeeper, but because not or create just some mistakes, so because of that, and I almost say maybe there's mental fatigue, so he can recover. That is fine for me. And obviously Felix Anam got that goal 1-1, but the performance of Felix Anam was very satisfactory. So in my opinion, they need to continue to use Felix Anam in the second game.
Okay, I know Bukari Damba. They serve to the mass and the companion for Bagodoko game our body against the Diana Stars, a very top game. Now can branch even Sam Adams. Osiaka Magodoko Onujini Sakotoko and treated too good. And to way a pay back time. Or say a crime biasono. Nami Adma Saturday, Kodoko in Kugo, ɛna ɛbɛ Kumasi.
I'm not going to find it difficult because for a player going to play a big game like this with Kotoko, we shouldn't wait for someone to tell me say you should work hard on that game. Everybody likes to play Kotoko. Everybody likes to play as a fool. So we are not going to wait for someone to tell us to work hard for that game. We are going to prepare for them. And it's a payback time. I went there, I saw what happened. This is the payback time. So they will come and meet us there. We are also waiting for them. From me, them, Kotoko team, I was there, I saw what happened. So this is the payback time for me to them.
Well, Obi,
yeah,
it's payback time.
Yeah.
Sam Adams,
yeah.
Sasa Tigorobo, Mbabe Tuno Domaho. Well, then yet it is a dear man, some goalkeeper. Alawa, French.
Yeah.
I say, Oko training, Oma Pam so on Kofi.
I'm so you're late for training, Kakra, or Baukoy, and I'm paying for catcher and say, but before that, no one text message a free technical director set a bloody horse. Then I mean, I saw ye and
yes as objective now.
I say Beno will catch and say pay unity into empire no more kwakobon no ye late no see or dressing a crunch or munikai and mompire no. Say one mano. And I don't know. Catch and say Sika Kunone sorry, ya preku any Jojo Beno no medin come catch and say any only kind of fee now.
Okay. Alex Entry, Northern Cohort, on manager for Alawa for entry. Call.
Chairman.
If I turn to be able to call.
The man commander and I'm some father Roman.
At the end, the sea, others the say for entry. Then a buyer may pump. I think that's really late. Sanity.
With the next year, here FM for listeners, actually not. The German Football Club supported management so much here with bro, and then if you can't crack, we will be the person that can family football region and I'm back. One of them I feel Babasa was supposed from the free many year football idea, the idea can crown ho. She want a friend say, Chairman, say the thing I'll cost you, and I'm so wow. Never the Bruce man much into the draw, turn upon a minute. For Kasai, Alawa Kasai, and also Chairman. Send it to you. Let me cry. Also keep a Diana who know my doors here, powerful and oil, 1 or 2 grams of alcohol. Namsio Machi. I think common management in Kasa, I mean, the name because I cried the general account for the Batman. But the chase bed resource and the premier to them no more Sharafa from Freba, Konosi Chairman. Anything that you or free and share and check the trainers for channel come never saw you late more than 10 minutes. Said how is been a media panacasa, but many are the right of the management members in home. But the product here, still not at the chairman, manually more than 10 minutes crowd. But same thing, then I'm only late more than 10. No, see, someone to keep a crowd to match under 2 ways, say, 4 ways. He said that you are all one number back for 1 year. If bro, the cassette player and chair and then intention say, a crowd number on a crowd on the divinity our yes and make catch what you for the management say. The product say Alawano or the tuno and producer Bakota. Normal cost was coming away, Alawa Crank, and Kemanokoba, and I clapped it, and I said, in case of the man, clapped it here, Adrian go to Configana, and I said, no, and she, I can't bear 7 months to 8 months. 7 weeks, many party a town, and now we put that to put Obama data. The Shannon be a tech can want it in your top. I said, you keep away that target and say, you 15 years with issues as well, free more. And while we put that to know, I wouldn't send the 2 media, but a duty now so some managers who are a tower into the Manatana media, no about boy. If you allow one media in the management here, Mr. Media management means supported, and I say, I don't want you to be Bondia from Jama say, or better intention say, or I keep players didn't know, the player is working and only big coach is there as well. 1-on-1 with research with the station and answer the management.
Okay.
The Senate here, but next media supported name management. mistake after na mso baba to show guna so the basin kawana na or best to deliver for media man.
All right, go. Edasipi, thanks so much for clarification. Adamai. Well, reports that Chese na media man for the source. You be almost suspect say French people so called hard to folk. Go hard to folk and make contact with him. Say the contract like 7 months no. Guy we are just go about on a free to hard to folk no. And a day who bufu ni sa de nyina no. Eba yanko chinkomo. Last chance travel and tour.